Hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing my Ecotank printer, my DTF supplementation printer, Ecotank ET8550. So watch out and stay tuned with me. So these are the ink that it came with. This is the cable. So these are the ink bottles. I have 6 ink inside. Oh my, this printer is the black color of it. Wow, look at it, beautiful. That one out. Ink. These are the ink that came with the printer. Since I'm going to be doing sublimation, I'm not going to use this ink. I'm going to use this sublimation ink to fill in these bottles. Okay. So they are the same. So you put them according to their colors. This one is black. This one is which color is this one? This is okay. This is black. So the black has to go in first because I put the black already. You can see the ink is coming up. So the next one will be photo black. So we are done setting the ink. Everything is okay. So the ink, everything is okay. I filled everything, you can see it. So now I want to power on the printer. Let's see what this printer has for us. Okay, English, to set the language English. Okay, English is okay. Scan the code to set up this printer with your smartphone or other smart device using the Epson Smart Panel app.